niarugoretie njira ya kiriu ya gutemania kana ya gukorwo igicirithania ciira igotiini iria itamburikanite ta e-filing hamwe na mubango ungi wa kutwithania ciira uria uikaine ta AGS kana alternative justice system igotiini ria kakuma na lodwar hindi ciira riake kaunta-ini ya Turkana. Mucirithania Justice Iceera augite tabarira ino ne guteithiriria ukorwo hia wingi wa macira magotini nake John kagucia mwerekerigiti muikarigiti wa kiama kana muikarigiti wa kamite ya bunge igimainie na watho akauga mubango uyu ni ukorwo kihotithia atongoria a matura gukorwo makihota gutwithania amacira mao.
If you want to walk to court and do your filing, your file will give you a facility for you to file and e-filing there. But if you want to file it from the comfort of your office or from your home, you can also do it. So today I ask you, the court users, legal practitioners, and to every resident of Turkana County to rally behind this transformative initiative. In addition, I ask our judicial officers and staff to embrace and support this initiative, because like we have said many times, we are here to launch, but we are leaving it for you to nurture.
It takes you 5 hours minimum to file a case in Lodwar. Imagine you've come all the way 400 kilometers from Kimish and then you are kept here for 5 hours. Today, the filing of a case, maximum 20 minutes. Not 5 hours, not 10 hours, not 20 hours. 5 minutes and your case is.
The mainstreaming and standardization of alternative justice system is a significant undertaking of this innovative idea. In conformity with the Constitution, the judiciary has taken a firm stance on policy in order to recognize and support AJS as a legitimate option for settling disputes and enhancing access to justice for all Kenyans.
My government will work closely with the alternative justice system management to ensure the proper capacity and training of members of AJS teams across the country. This will ensure this system serves all residents effectively while reducing the cost of travel and geographical distance as the residents seek justice.